So we're here with the DSP group, and this is Oz Zimmerman, and you're going to tell us a little bit about what DSP does and what products you're offering.
Yeah, so DSP Group is a global leader of wireless chipsets for converged communications at home. We are, for 2 decades already, a technology powerhouse with more than 250 patents, with 400 employees, revenues of a little bit above $200 million, and a bit more than $100 million in cash. We are the leaders of cordless telephony with 2/3 of worldwide market share. We already shipped so far more than 1 billion chipsets of these chipsets. And we are leading the wave of converging voice only in the home to adding data, audio, and multimedia. So the next generation cordless phone, which is a smartphone to the home, is what we deliver today.
Tell me a little bit about the concept of a connected home.
So the vision of connected home is that people will use more and more converged devices that will have not only video or audio or voice, but that will have convergence of all the 4 medias, which are voice, data, audio, and video. And it will be with different shapes, different forms. Most of it will be wirelessly. So in order to serve this type of connected home or smart home, we developed the expander chipset, which is a converged chipset of voice, data, audio, and video, all on one die, one chipset with one SDK.
Wow. So basically that's putting a lot of things on one piece of silicon.
Right.
And that's manufactured here?
No, we are a fabless company.
Okay.
So the manufacturing is being done with subcontractors, the largest fabs of the world, like TSMC. And what we do is instead of having our customers work separately with a Wi-Fi supplier of chipset, and application processor supplier of chipset, and DECT supplier of chipset, we converge it all on one chipset with one SDK, and by that eliminating the need of working with different suppliers, reducing the time to market because for them it's easier to develop. The interface and the support is much easier for them. Today consumer electronic companies are reducing the forces of developers. So we are helping them to get into the market with these types of connected home devices.
And the home phone market is very different from the mobile phone market. Can you explain a little bit, for example, what type of applications would be more useful, I guess, at home than they would be on a mobile, and how DSP is basically, adapting itself to that model?
Okay, so that's a great question, because what we do is we leverage everything that has been done and is being done in the mobile market into the home. What we do is we are running open platforms, and our strategy is to run only open platforms. The one that we have here in the demos is running Google Android platform, and by that we open up the ability of all the users, all the consumers, all the consumer electronic companies to download one of the 40,000, any one of the 40,000 applications that are in the Android market, and to put them into this type of phone. And by that, we enable the openness to the developer community of Google Android, and the immense amount of applications that are out there.
Do you think that Google has really revolutionized the space?
I think that by introducing the Google Android, they have shifted from the world from closed garden, closed platforms into an open market. So today, even Nokia is opening up their own framework. All the others will probably have to go after it. And for us, it's the this proliferation of application, the ease of use, the ease of development of applications is helping us to produce this type of new device. What we do beyond these applications for the mobile, we are adding and promoting home-specific applications that are not suitable so much for the mobile phone and are more suitable for the home phone.
Like switching on and off the air conditioning or the lights or the television?
Like the TV controller, like a DLNA client for streaming and sharing content in the home, like controlling devices, different devices and monitoring devices in the home. Things that these applications you can put on smartphone, but there's no point in it because you want your smartphone with you. You go out of the home. You don't want to leave your kids without the TV controller. So what we bring is we bring a smartphone, affordable smartphone, to the ones that do not have smartphones. Still, let's remember that more than 80% of the mobile users do not have smartphone. And even for the ones that are already used to the touch screen and the smartphone, they will have, instead of the classical cordless phone, they will have a multimedia touchscreen smartphone.
Thanks very much.